on the camera. Apparently there's an alien planet eggs. Well, we sense there's life, and very little. These are all one life form, or one species, not one life form. Apparently it's a mother. Apparently it's the last one of its kind. We could bring it back there, but no, this planet has no light besides the planet's core. And this planet is planet 9 in our solar system, the 9th planet of our solar system, that lives beyond the solar, right beyond the asteroid belt. It has no light. It's basically a cave, because there's actually basically hidden. It's actually basically hidden inside a moon, like basically the moon. The only habitable place is Mars. All these white spots, not food. All these blue is food. So it has a lot of food. It means it can survive, right? Wrong. Something spit acid in its face. Something spit acid. Going down its jaw, killing it. You know what that is? The species that's also the only other one of its kind. It's amphibious, though. It's the only creature that actually should rely on water. These species, drink water, but it's a little bit. No, this is water. That's not flowing water. You have to dig your teeth. That's exactly why one sharp buck tooth. Look at the sharp jaw. This the sharp part of its jaw. They're used to poke into the ice and drink. It's blind too, but it actually uses sound and echolocation. So it's moving its eggs. It actually does not like the taste of the eggs. This one was actually raised by this species, so it still doesn't want to kill them. Apparently there's 3 males and 3 females. 3 males for the purple species, and 3 females of the purple species. 2 males of this species, and 2 females of this species. All of them have a mate. All of them can breed without any problem. Since you think they're related, so they can't breed, they will never be able to. It's impossible because they're related, but they're wrong. They won't turn albino or something like what happens with gorillas, or they won't live shorter lives. They'll actually live the exact same. Actually, a lot of them are inbred. You inbred to Ellen DeGeneres. See, there's one back spike. This is the father, apparently. Father that back spikes. And apparently they can trigger and untrigger this hook. They curl. Yeah, it curls in, apparently. Then it can curl out whatever it needs to do. So, I guess these are the only 2 species left. No, you should call that purple species the Puebes. Not this red species, the Puebes. It did not look anything like the Puebes. So it should be called the Omekokan. The Omekokan is the purple species, the Omekokan. The Omekokan is a very, 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 very... We're going to have to take back the body. Now, apparently these are some weird worms. Apparently there's 4 females and 1 alpha. And just like that other species, it has spikes on its jaw. Except this time, these spikes are permanent. They cannot retract unless you chop them off and regrow. But it only has one predator. Actually, it has 3 predators. All those 2 species and this. Apparently, there's 2 of them left. They're mates. That's the noise they make. That's the noise the male makes whenever something's coming to eat them. Apparently, all 4 of these females are gonna have the child. And if they have this weird green, apparently that means they were infected with a small disease that will just give them green pigment. Apparently, it does not change them at all. Which means this is green. Which means the children of the pigment, but less of it. Only have half. Which means only get half. You can breed it out. With this, it could give him the disease. Apparently whenever they touch, they bite it. So all 4 can lay 200 eggs. None of these are related, though. None of them are because, well, that's what would happen. Bad things would happen. This bit, only the female, jaws have a hook at the top. Hook at the very top of their jaw. You see, this looks like a visor cap. Females, overbite. While these males, they get straight to the point. They're a biter. This strange alien planet. We're gonna have to study it. We're gonna go back in the past and see how they evolved.